Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install Git on Windows 11 the right way. Okay, so first thing, go to Google, type Git and go to the first result. So this is the official website of Git. So I will go here to downloads, click on it. After that, I choose the system that I'm using. So for us, we are going to install Git on Windows 11. So I choose Windows. And here, so if you have 32-bit, choose the first one. If you have 60-bit, use the second one. Also, if you have the Portal edition, the same thing. Okay, so for me, I will choose this 64-bit. I click on it, and as you can see here, the download it started. So the bit is in, so it's done downloaded. So I will go to the downloads. As you can see here, right click, run as administrator, choose yes. Okay, so here, this is the Git installer. So choose next, next, next again, next, next again, next. Just make sure you choose this, the second one, and click next again, again. It's very easy to install Git on Windows 11. Next, 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 again. Okay, so right now we are installing the Git on Windows 11. Easy way, the right way, without problems. Okay, so choose launch Git bash and select this and click finish. And as you can see here, my friends, we install Git on Windows 11 with easy way, the right way. If you like the video, share the video with your friends, subscribe my channel and like. Thank you.